We do have a marginal categorical risk for severe weather today, stretching from portions of the northeastern panhandle of Texas through Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and even into Illinois. Now, this severe weather threat today is just hail driven. You could see some strong winds. There's a small chance we could even see a tornado, but right now the only major concern looks to be the hail. So I'd say pay attention if you're out in these areas today, but there's nothing about today's event that looks too overly concerning. Now, getting into Wednesday's severe weather threat. So this is the day 2 severe weather threat. We have a marginal stretching from central Texas up through the Ohio Valley all the way to southwestern Ohio. And then you can see we have that slight risk for severe weather stretching from around the Dallas-Fort Worth region up through southeastern Oklahoma and northwestern Arkansas. Now, this day does come with a 2% tornado risk. You can see again from the Dallas-Fort Worth region up through southeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and then portions of south central Missouri. This is basically where that slight risk is, except for it stretches a little bit farther into Missouri when we look at the 2% tornado risk. We also have a 5 to 15% chance for damaging winds. And that hail threat stretches all the way up through the Ohio Valley. Let's start by taking a look at the timing of the severe weather today. Not much going on until we get to around 5 to 7 p.m. Then we start to get some thunderstorms firing off there in southwestern Oklahoma, moving up into the northeast, kind of near Oklahoma City, up towards the Tulsa region as well. We also get some thunder showers up there through central Missouri, down towards southwestern Missouri. Here we go. We're moving into 8, 9, 10 p.m. So this is a time to watch, 5 to 10 p.m. Then we get a pocket of calm air, and then you see we start to get some more thunderstorms firing off around 3 in the morning. This is central time, and then all the way through about 9 or 10 in the morning. So this is going to be interesting. We're going to start getting kind of these isolated thunderstorms popping up, like I said, around 5 p.m. It's going to be a little rough as we go into the nighttime, but then we could see some more storms forming, like I said, around 3, 4 a.m. through the early hours of the morning. So make sure when you're going to bed, you have your alerts on if you're out in this region just to be safe, and understand that your commutes out here could be affected by the severe weather early in the morning on Wednesday. Speaking of Wednesday, we're going to get into the timing of those storms as well. Just a reminder, here's your marginal and slight risk for the Wednesday event. Here we go Wednesday as we get into around 3 or 4 in the afternoon, so a little bit earlier than those Tuesday storms. We could start to see some kind of popcorn thunderstorms popping up. You see these individual cells that begin to form across Texas, even down here in southwestern Texas. And sometimes these can be a little bit more dangerous than even a squall line or QLCS because they have the whole sky to themselves, so they can really get a nice inflow region and they can expand and intensify pretty quickly. So again, this is around 4 or 5 p.m. and then we move forward as we get into around 9, 10 p.m., 11, midnight. This really does look like a Wednesday evening type of event. Like I said, from portions of southern Missouri, southeastern Oklahoma, and then through Texas and then western Arkansas. But even as we push into the morning hours, you still see these thunderstorms moving off into the north and east. So we're going to have to still pay attention as we progress throughout the night. Make sure you have those alerts on if you're out in this region.